Hey Bear, how you doing, dude? Checking on all the kitties today. Yeah, Bear. Oh, alrighty then. Okay, there's Libby. I don't quite know what's going on here. Libby, Libby, you okay? Yeah, I think Libby's okay. Little Bear, you okay? Just talk to everybody. Oh, okay. We have a cat swarm over here. Hi, Lumpy. You guys haven't met Lumpy yet. She usually doesn't come anywhere near the other cats. And that's about all she wants to do. Winnie, Winnie, you have anything? Just tell it. Oh, okay, never mind. Let's see if we can get a video of Mr. Shibby. Hi, Mr. Shibby. What do you have to say? Really? What else do you have to say? Do you have any other words of wisdom for us? Do you? What is that? What was that? Hmm? It's Raisin. Hi, Raisin. Here's one weird looking cat. We love you, but you're very strange. You gonna attack the camera? I know you like to. Patty, you gonna tell the folks at home goodbye? Maybe next time, huh?
Maybe next time.